Welcome to my YouTube channel, Renaissance World. Each thought that we create, every word we speak, and every action we perform are responsible for the radiation of non-physical energy or vibration into the universe, including other people, the surroundings, or the atmosphere, as well as to the physical nature. A very important aspect of our consciousness which influences the quality of vibration is the intention or hidden meaning behind each thought, word and action. When the intention is pure, positive and unconditional, positive vibrations of energy of peace, love, good wishes, happiness and truth get transmitted. Here we have to take care of our radiations. People who experience these positive energy vibration from us are reminded of their personal qualities, even if these qualities are different from ours, and get inspired to imbibe the same and put them into practice. Although this may not even be a conscious intention in the first place, but we just have a journal pure positive intention towards everything and everyone around us. But this giving of inspiration happens automatically. On the other hand, when the intention is negative and impure, it is as if we bring other people, surroundings and nature down. That is, in a way, we absorb energy from these entities instead of feeling them. People without realizing this will come down from their positive personality state on receiving this energy and become inclined to thinking and speaking against their basic positive nature. Thus, it is a negative inspiration. Both of these types of energy exchanges, but one is positive and other is negative. The above process happens even when we are quiet, not creating any thoughts and not speaking or performing any actions. Depending on the kind of nature or personality we have, those type of vibration keep getting emitted from us all the time. Depending on the kind of nature or personality we have, those type of vibration keep getting emitted from us all the time. The higher the quality of the activity inside the mind and intellect during the day and in general in our life, even if they are inactive at a particular point of time, the higher quality of energy is radiated at that time. It seems as if we are constant spiritual energy radiators and radiate our personality all the time. Even while we sleep, the purer is our personality, the purer is the radiation. You are great if you can find your faults, greater if you can remove or reduce them. But you are greatest if you accept and love others with their fault. Therefore, we have to inculcate these types of energies so that we can radiate it to them. Life comes with great option. You don't have to always pick what seems to be best. Just pick whatever makes you happy. Be the embodiment of contentment. Practicing meditation for a few moments enable us to discover the inner treasures which bring abundance of love, peace, purity, power, bliss, happiness, and etc. etc. We don't even know the limit of positivity it brings. Some people enjoy the best in life, not because only good things come their way, but because they find everything good and they find good in everything that comes in their way. So, think positive, stay positive and enjoy each moment. What is success? Very often when we try and move too fast to our goals, there can be some success achieved. But while reaching that goal, if you perform action that gives sorrow to others, or you are not honest, or you lose hope and confidence, or even for that matter, your relationship or health are affected because of that, then that is not the true success. Success means sharing good wishes with each other and giving love to each other. Giving blessings and taking blessings from each other, serving and sustaining everyone with good qualities and powers, and being a good person. I am a victorious soul. Success to me comes with blessing and wishes from everyone. I have balanced and truly successful life. These thoughts, we have to keep them running in our mind for a positive outlet. If we get involved in fears about the future, we shall miss the chances that the present offers us. Therefore, instead of worrying about the future, we shall create powerfully right thoughts for the present. My present is in my hands. My present is secure. Responsibility means accepting credit when things go right and accepting corrections when things go wrong. True responsibility brings inner lightness and joy. To take responsibility of one's own responsibility is the greatest responsibility. Responsibility is not just duties to be done, but has more to do with a sense of purpose. Each thought. 7 quick happiness tips. Look for the good in every situation. Ignore what people say about you. Develop an attitude of gratitude. Once at peace. The main thief of our peace is the inner conflict between the head and the heart. Mostly it has to do with what we desire versus what we feel we should be choosing according to our highest spiritual morals, values and conscience. An example for some would be a tug of war between flying economy class versus business class, or purchasing an ordinary handbag versus a designer bag. In both cases, one is caught in the struggle between using money for a better cause or indulging in one's comfort or luxury, or opting for simplicity and risking being mocked for your plain lifestyle. Should we listen to our conscience or we pander to our ego and image? Our goal should be totally comfortable and totally responsible. So this is a meditation for it. I am a happy soul. I am completely comfortable, balanced and responsible in every area of my life. Physically, emotionally and spiritually, I keep a check on my desire versus my needs. I maintain my focus on peace and harmony rather than material desires. I stay content and peaceful. So if you try to practice or say this meditation, it might help you more. The solution to our problem is with us only. Others can advise only, but we need to implement. Accept the situation and give your positive way. In best. Meditation revivify the mind to look beyond the boundaries of physical dimensions to progress towards the world of energies